Car behind that BM just quite followed that car behind me.
Oh really?
Yeah, quite.
Aggressively?
Yeah, he had to jam his brakes. So beep. See, again, I can react to that, but again, I just put it on YouTube. Why is he beeping at me for?
Exactly, you're turning.
Damn the taxis, what the fuck do you think you were doing? Wow, I cannot believe it. Okay, I've just backed in this field, I've just walked in to go and ring the farmer to make sure I'm at the right place. What do I find? There's a Indian couple in here. Oh yeah, secretly behind the edge, having sex. They've been caught out. Here you are, look at them with it. They're going to get out here. They weren't supposed to be in this field. And it was a complete surprise for them when I backed in. She's driving.
Church, but it...
Please go! Please go! Please go! You don't have a car! You can't do this! May, you can't do this! It doesn't work like that! You're holding up traffic! Get out! Get out! May, get out! Get out! Are you crazy? May, you don't have a car! Get out! I don't give a fuck! May, get out! You don't have a car! Are you crazy?
What do you mean?
Get out!
To go around. I don't get it. What's the problem? How was that? How was
May,
that
you don't have a car. The guy came
right
up.
there. The car was coming out. How was that gonna work? You were up my ass.
May, she's crazy, I swear to God. May, you don't have a car, move.
What do you mean?
Move.
I had to move.
I don't care.
Anyway.
May, the car was coming out.
Exactly. So how was that gonna come in reverse?
Guys, am I the only crazy one here?
You have no right to do that.
But the
Move,
car
man.
was there.
Yo, move. I'm not gonna move.
You have no right to do that.
She's crazy, man.
What do you mean
Are
I'm
you
crazy?
crazy? Seriously. You have no right to do that.
What do you mean?
Mate.
How was I
You
supposed
have
to go
no right
back?
to do
Move.
that. You find a space to park up.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly, but I had to move back
Come
anyway.
on, look at the queue.
Move. May, she's crazy, I swear to God. I'm not gonna move.
You have no right to do that. You have no right.
I'm not gonna move. Get out. Stupid.